In the previous video, we understood the dynamic input in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how dynamic input shows command information, distance, and angle near the cursor while drawing or editing. Now, in this video, we understand another very helpful accuracy tool, Object Snap Tracking, also called Otrack. Object Snap Tracking helps us to align the new points from the existing snap points without drawing extra construction lines. For example, if you want to start a line exactly above the midpoint of the another line, Otrack can help you. If you want to place another object aligned with the endpoint, center, or intersection, Otrack can help. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand Object Snap Tracking in a very simple way. Object Snap Tracking is a drafting tool that helps you to find aligned points from existing object snap points. Think of it like an invisible guidelines. You first show AutoCAD an important point, like an endpoint or a midpoint. Then AutoCAD gives you a temporary tracking line from that point. You can use that tracking line to place a next point accurately. So the simple way to remember is this. Object Snap Tracking helps you to align from existing points. It is not a drawing command. It is an accuracy helper. In the AutoCAD, many times we need an alignment. For example, you want one object to line up to the another object. You may want a circle to be exactly above the midpoint of a line. You may want a door, a window, a column, or a symbol aligned to the existing endpoint. Without Object Snap Tracking, you may draw extra construction lines to find that position. But with the Object Snap Tracking, AutoCAD gives you temporary guidelines, so you can align accurately without creating extra geometry. This keeps your drawing clean. Before using the Object Snap Tracking, remember one important thing. Object Snap Tracking works with the Object Snap. Object Snap helps AutoCAD find an exact points like endpoint, midpoint, center, and intersection. Object Snap Tracking uses those snap points to create an alignment path. So, if an object snap is off, Object Snap Tracking may not help you properly. The simple rule is this. Object Snap finds the points. Object Snap Tracking creates a guide from that point. Both tools work together. Object Snap Tracking is found on the status bar at the bottom of the AutoCAD screen. This is the same area where we find Object Snap, Ortho Mode, Bullet Tracking, Grid Snap, and Dynamic Input. You can click the Object Snap Tracking icon to turn it on or off. You can simply press F11 on your keyboard to turn it on and off. So remember, F11 turns Object Snap Tracking on and off. And Object Snap uses F3. So for Otrack practice, make sure F3 is for Object Snap, F11 is for Object Snap Tracking. Now let's understand the basic idea. Start the command like the line command. AutoCAD asks you to pick a point. Now, move your cursor near the existing snap point, like the endpoint of the line. Do not click. Just hover near the point for a moment. AutoCAD remembered that point. Now, move your cursor away. You may see a temporary tracking line appears. That line helps you to align your new point with the existing snap point. This is the main idea of Object Snap Tracking. Hover first, track the guide, then click the new point. This is very important for beginners. When you're using Object Snap Tracking, you usually hover over the snap point first. Do not click immediately. If you click, AutoCAD will select the point as your actual point. But if you only hover, AutoCAD use that point as a reference. Then you can move your cursor away from that and place your point anywhere aligned with that point. So remember, hover to take a reference. Click to place the final point. This one idea makes Otrack much easier to understand. Let's try with a simple example. Draw one horizontal line. Now, start a line command. Type L and press enter. Move your cursor near to the endpoint of the existing line. Wait for the endpoint snap marker. Do not click, just hover. Now, move your cursor upwards. You should see a temporary tracking line going upward from the endpoint. Move along with the tracking line. Type distance like 5 and press enter. Now, AutoCAD starts the new line exactly above the endpoint reference. This is the Object Snap Tracking working. Now let's use with the Midpoint Tracking. Draw a horizontal line. Start the circle command. Type C and press enter. AutoCAD asks for the center point for a circle. Move your cursor near the midpoint of the line. Wait for the midpoint snap marker. Do not click, just hover. Now move your cursor upwards. AutoCAD shows the tracking a line with the midpoint. Move along that line. Type 4 and press enter. Now enter the circle radius. AutoCAD places the circle exactly above the midpoint of the line. This is very useful for placing objects in alignment. Object snap tracking works nicely with the Ortho mode. Ortho helps you to move straight, horizontally, or vertically. Object snap tracking helps you to align from existing snap points. For example, if you want a new point directly above an endpoint, turn on Ortho and Otrack. Hover over the endpoint. Move your cursor upwards. AutoCAD gives you a straight tracking path. Now type the distance and press enter. This makes the placement clear and accurate. So remember, Ortho controls the straight direction. Otrack controls alignment from existing point. Object snap tracking can also work with the polar tracking. Polar tracking helps with aligned directions. Otrack helps you to align from the snap points. For example, you can hover over the endpoint, then move your cursor along with a 45-degree tracking direction. This can help you when you need angled alignment from the existing point. As a beginner, first practice the Otrack with the straight horizontal and vertical directions. After that, you can try it with the polar tracking. Object snap and object snap tracking sound similar, but they are not the same. Object snap help you to click the exact points. For example, endpoints, midpoints, center, and intersection. Object snap tracking help you to align from those exact points. So remember, object snap catches the points. Object snap tracking tracks the path from it. If you want to click the endpoint, use object snap. If you want to align from the endpoint without clicking it, use object snap tracking. One common beginner mistake is clicking the snap point instead of hovering. If you click, AutoCAD use that point immediately. If you hover, AutoCAD use as a reference. Another mistake is forgetting to turn on the object snap. Otrack needs the snap points to track from. Another mistake is moving too fast. If you move too fast, AutoCAD may not capture the tracking point. Hover for a moment, wait for the snap marker, then move away. And as always, keep watching the command line. AutoCAD tells you what point it needs next. Let's quickly summarize the object snap tracking. Object snap tracking or Otrack help you to align the new points from existing snap points. You can turn it on and off from the status bar. You can also press F11. Object snap uses F3. Otrack works best when object snap is also turned on. Hover over the snap point to use the reference. Then move your cursor along the tracking line. Click or type a distance to place the new point accurately. And remember, Otrack helps you to align without drawing extra construction lines. Before we move to the next video, do one small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Press F3 to turn on the object snap. Press F11 to turn on the object snap tracking. Make sure endpoint and midpoint are active on the object snap setting. Move and draw a horizontal line. Start the line command. Move your cursor near the endpoint of the line. Wait for the endpoint snap tracker. Do not click. Move your cursor upwards until you see the tracking line. Type 5 and press enter. Now try same thing from the midpoint. Start the circle command. Hover over the midpoint of the line. Move your cursor upwards. Type 4 and press enter. Then enter the radius for a circle. Practice this slowly. Hover first, track the guide, then click or type the distance. So this was the object snap tracking in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that object snap tracking helps align from existing points without drawing extra geometry or lines. Object snap finds the exact points. Object snap tracking gives you temporary guidelines for the point. The shortcut is simple. F11 turns the object snap tracking turn on and off. Use it when you want to clean alignment from the endpoint, midpoint, center, or intersections. In the next video, we understand the layers in AutoCAD. Layers help you to organize drawings by separating walls, doors, windows, dimension, text, furniture, and other objects. So in the next lesson, we learn how layers make AutoCAD drawings clean, organized, and professional. I'll see you in the next lesson.